everyone, I want to give you a quick tour of some of my sites here in Prague. I live in Prague 5 and this is the view of the river just a block away from my apartment, and now I'm walking up to the Andel tram stop, which is what I use every day to get to and from school. There's the metro there in the back and the tram system's awesome here. You can get pretty much anywhere you want, no problem, and they're running constantly, so it's really easy and great to rely on. So yep, there's the tram stop. And now I'm on the tram on the way to the Malostranska Náměstí stop, which is the stop for school. And it's a pretty touristy area. Down right here you'll see a bunch of people. The Charles Bridge is right down there, so this is me riding, waiting one more stop, about to get off. So this is what the tram stop at Malostranska looks like. You can see school down there with the red awnings, but I wanted to show you a few other places right around school. One of these is right by the river if you walk a little down, and there were tons of swan out today, so got a video of a bunch of these guys. There were a ton of them out, and as you can see, everyone was taking pictures with them. And this is a pretty little park that's right behind school. It's connected to it, but anyone can walk through, and it was just a really beautiful fall day, and sometimes students come out here to study or just hang out. And there's a bunch of peacocks that actually roam this park, and I found this one being fed by this little girl, so I wanted to show you guys. Yeah, it's really beautiful. He didn't put up his feathers, unfortunately, but yeah, really beautiful guy. So I'm leaving the park and just walking down this pretty old street, and I'm about to show you our next destination on my little tour of this neighborhood. I'm going into my favorite coffee shop by school. It's kind of this hidden gem. It's this cute little, as you can see, cute little coffee shop that's really beautifully decorated, and I'm got to order myself coffee. So I got this really tasty coconut milk iced coffee, in case anyone was wondering. It had these coconut flakes, and it was really nice mid-afternoon pick-me-up. Now I'm walking to show you this Shakespeare bookstore with tons of English books as well as other languages, and it's just a really cute spot to read up on the history of Prague, or there's poetry, history, science, nonfiction, tons of great books to check out and get for a low price. So I like to come and see what the bookstore has to offer. Now as I leave the bookstore, I'm out back kind of in the main area of things. There's the Charles Bridge, which is obviously a famous Prague landmark, and it was very busy when I filmed, so lots of tourists out walking around on this really beautiful day. And now I'm just gonna walk back to my tram stop and head back to my apartment after my day of walking around and showing you all the sights of Prague. Hope you enjoyed this video and got to see a bit more of little unknown spots of Prague.